Hello everyone and welcome back to Gran Turismo 7. Welcome back to, I believe we are on to episode 7 here. So we're moving on to missions. We unlocked this last episode. So let's see what this menu has to offer. So we got different mission challenges. That's 6 of them. We unlock these ones at higher collector levels. The Magic Mountain is what we have to do. Okay, so overtake all cars by the finish line. Colliding with other cars will disqualify you from the mission. Okay, so these are kind of like different challenges. Is this the car that we're going to be using? NSX, the Porsche, Camaro. And then if we finish all of them at the bronze level, we get a car. And all of them at the gold level, we also get a car. Better car, hopefully. Okay, cool. So this is like different missions that you can play, and then you can get cars out of that too as well. All right, cool. Let's see. So overtake all the cars to the finish line, and then we can't collide with any cars. All right, let's do it. Oh, even going off of the off of the line or the road disqualifies you. Okay. All right, so we got to really be careful, not hit anybody or not get off the road. Interesting. All right. Oh, okay. We got to do just one lap. I'm not 100% sure, or is it? Oh, it's like right here. Oh wow, you took the bronze for finishing in 3rd place. Great job. Interesting. So we gotta beat them to finish first. Let's try it one more time. This is sort of like the license center. That's very interesting. Okay. So literally you gotta do one corner. One corner to beat all of them. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. Okay. Alright, I see. This is gonna be a lot of, like, the license center, a lot of grinding. Just to finish that. Should we just try them all? And see if we can get that bronze? Bronze car? Alright, let's try it. I hate the off-road ones though. Let's see the next one. This stage unlocks a later section of the highway ring. Important to maintain your speed in the final corner. Okay. So again, same thing. We're in the Porsche 911. We gotta finish top first or third, I guess. Or in 4th. Okay. Okay, we got the silver on this one. That's fine. We took the silver, okay. I kind of want to see what the bronze car is going to be if we finish all of them at the bronze level. So let's keep going. Keep it moving. Let's see what happens. We are onto here now. They're not so many, so let's just keep it going. Okay, control your car with your throttle. All right, let's see. You gotta be 8th at least to get the bronze. Okay, we actually finished first here. Let's keep it going though. I like this NASCAR type of track where you just go around like that. It's pretty cool. Oh! No way! He finished. He got us in the last second. All right, whatever. Silver is okay. I mean, it's not like we've been getting gold in the other ones, so whatever. Okay, cool. I wonder what the gold car is if we get all gold. That's interesting. Let's see. We're gonna get the bronze though. We'll see what happens. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, so overtake the buses, uphill corners. Okay, you'll need to navigate your car carefully through the narrow spaces. All right, good thing it's a small car. Let's see what happens. We need to get at least third. Oh my god, we are really slow. This is full throttle right now. Okay. Wow, we are so slow. This is amazing. Okay. Alright, we finished second. That's crazy. Alright. We'll take it. We'll take a second. I mean, I think if I keep trying this, we'll probably get the gold, but it's gonna... I don't want to keep trying, you know what I mean, and just bore you guys with it, so let's just keep going and see what the bronze car will be. Alright, we're on to here. This is gonna be off-road. I really hate the off-road. Okay, guide your Jeep in the pitch black of night in Colorado. Follow driving lines different from your opponents to get ahead. Okay, all right, let's see. It's kind of hard to see over because it's so high. Like the roof is high. Like I can't really see the on the turns and stuff. It's kind of hard to see, but this guy's right on us. We're in third right now. We should be fine to get bronze. All right, that's okay. We're good. I hate the dirt races, man. They're tough. You gotta steer ahead of, like, if the turn is coming, you gotta turn before. It's so much. It requires so much calculations. It's just not my favorite. Okay, slipstream, nice. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, here you'll attempt to get to top speed over a limited section of track. You can increase your speed greatly by getting behind other cars to utilize their slipstream. I was wondering if slipstream is activated or is active in this game. It's interesting. All right, well, that proves it. So get behind them and see. We gotta get at least 190 kilometers per hour. Oh wow, we actually almost hit the 195. That would have gave us a gold on that one. All right, we got a silver. That's fine. It's cool. It's teaching us that slipstream is active. So I was wondering that when we were doing our like regular races, but now that proves it. So it does work. All right, the pass and the race. All right, the pass. So what's this one here? Overtake the narrow Tokyo Expressway. Change your driving lines as necessary to get ahead. All right, let's do it. Narrow lanes in Tokyo. Gotta get third. I didn't know the hitting the wall was active as well. Okay. Should be able to do this. All right, we'll take a second. That's okay. I don't know why our car looked so huge compared to the other cars. As I was passing them, we looked like a truck. They look so small. All right, so that's another silver or bronze we got there. Silver, I think. All right, so the last one. Let's go ahead and try that. That's kind of cool. It takes us to different types of races and situations. Ready for a dogfight in the Fiat with just 17 horsepower. Oh god, make sure to use your brakes to avoid going into corners too hot. Man, we got 17 horsepower. What too hot are we talking about here? So we get to at least 5th. All right, let's see. Oh god, this is like turtles racing. This is kind of cool. All right, we need to get to number 5 at least. This is so funny. Do they race these type of cars actually? Like, you know, like slow cars like that? How is that even a race, bro? I can't. This is full throttle right now. I can't even go. I was gonna say let's catch slipstream, but what kind of slipstream? This is so funny. Come on, Fiat. We gotta catch 5. Or at least we have to at least catch 5. This is impossible. Alright, we're catching some speed. Alright, come on. Come on. Alright, we made it to 5. Once we slow down, it takes forever for us to speed up again. This is actually so funny. That's so funny. He's right behind us. I'm pressing like full throttle right now. This is so funny. Come on, get out. No. Can't get him. Can't let him go past us. Can't let him go past us. Bro. You're joking me, man. We're going 30. We're going 30. Get out of here. This is so funny. Okay, well, as long as we maintain 5, we're good. Alright. As long as we keep 5. We're literally like turtles. We're like turtles. Oh my god, is he gonna catch us? Come on. Oh my god, yeah, that was close. They're actually catching up. Alright, let's see. What kind of car do we get? Okay. Let's see what kind of car we get out of this. Oh, we get this bus. I mean, I could have expected that. Those races were silly. So you get a silly car. Okay, these ones, I'm not gonna bother doing these. I mean, they look interesting, to be honest. But let's see what our menu book is on the next one, and then we'll decide. Luca, we did it. Nice work. How was your first mission? It was alright. The pass is a fun challenge, but there are plenty of other races for you to try as well. I've also heard that you can win cars if you earn all bronze or all gold prizes on each section. Alright, nice. Which reminds me, I owe you a reward. You've earned it. Okay, so new circuits have opened. And there's a new menu book. We got a... Oh, okay. Nice collection. Mustang Boss, Mach, and Mustang GT. For this menu, you'll be collecting Mustangs. The Mustang series of high-performance cars was produced by Ford and is considered an American classic. Collect all 3 models and bring them back here. Then I'll tell you about these legendary cars. Okay, cool. Mustangs. Alright, I like Mustangs. Let's do it. What can we race with? What kind of... Do we have to have a classic for these? America's... Classic. Okay, we get a Mustang. It has to be US front wheel, so it could do this one. But the suggested PP is actually 550. Let's try it. If not, we'll go improve it. I like this Mustang. I don't want to spend too much money on the Corvette. Kind of want to spend the money on one of these Mustangs. This Corvette is nice. Don't get me wrong, but we'll see. So I think we have to finish at least third, I believe. That's how it's been going on, like how we've been doing it anyways. Should I improve this Corvette? I don't know. Or should I wait for these Mustangs and then we'll decide? I'm not sure, to be honest. I like this Corvette, but these Mustangs are nice too. I want to try them. Nicely done. We're up to P7. Ooh. Took that corner pretty bad there. Yeah, our this Corvette is it's pretty slow. We might have to, compared to the competition, we might have to improve it, honestly. Let's keep going. Let's see what we can get. We're in P6 now. We have one more lap. I don't think we can. Can we make it to 3? Let's see. I mean, the top 3 is pretty much like they're way ahead. Those two are together, but then the top 3 positions are way ahead. We might have to actually improve this Corvette. I just don't. It's lacking power. I feel like we're not getting aggressively out of the corners. You know what I mean? Okay, yeah. Our car is definitely lacking. We'll have to improve this car. Because this is the only classic we have anyway, so we're gonna have to improve it to proceed. Yeah, we could do it. I mean, it's a nice car, why not? Let's see what we could do with it though. Okay, so let's go back to the shop. Tuning shop. Let's see what we could do here. Alright, so let's put on, first of all, I like to put on the air filter, the racing one. Muffler also is good to have. And then we like to increase this as well. Can we do some weight reduction? I mean, we're at comfort medium. We could do sport medium. That improves a lot actually. The tires actually matter. All right, let's do this. Medium, sports. Reduce the weight. Sure, why not? Reduce the weight. We got the muffler on here. Stroke up. Increase displacement for more low to mid RPM range. Which honestly, this is so expensive though. These are definitely very expensive. Racing shaft, that'll improve it. 14K. We'll do that. Can we reduce the weight further? I mean, okay, why not? Got the sport brakes. This as well. Sport suspension. Is there anything else that we could do? This one. Fully customizable computer results in delivering maximum potential by having precise control over the engine. Racing intercooler. Maybe not. What do you guys think? Do you think this is good to go? Should we reduce the weight further? Alright, whatever. Let's do it. Okay, I think that's fine. It applies all the better stuff on here, so I don't really need to do some car settings, but I like to just look at it. So power displacement is at 100. Okay. Alright, let's try it this way and see what happens. A lot of the stuff we actually didn't buy, but... Okay, let's try it like this and see if that helps. If not, we'll have to improve it again and try it again, but I'm hoping this will do. Let's go ahead and see if that did an improvement. Oh, that was crazy, but we managed to keep it under control. Okay, this car's getting wild now, but definitely an improvement though. Bro, is this guy in a Viper in front of us? How is that? How is that a classic? I guess it's a classic. Oh my god, we almost mess up this corner right here. Okay, we gotta catch up at least the third. Should have bought that Viper. Not sure if this is only American classics or just any American car. Oh, these corners, man, they get you. They seem easy, but when you go into the corner, it's harder. Man, I don't think we're gonna get it. We might. We might. Just gotta beat this Viper. This Viper looks nice, actually. Cut him off. Sorry. Gotta do what you gotta do, man. Alright, Pichu. Not bad. Races are definitely a lot harder now. Okay. We at least did it though, which is nice. 13K for that. And then we get the Mustang. Very nice. Okay. All right, so the next one will be down here. And that one, oh, this one is like, what's this one? This one is a classic. This is the actual Mustang that you get here. Suggested PP is 550 for this race, and then this race is also 550. All right, let's go for this one. Get this Mustang and see if it's good. Okay. Man, it wasn't turning. Like, it's not turning properly. You really gotta put the speed down. Like, that's crazy. Man, this is tough. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Okay, we messed that up big time. No, 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 no. We messed that up big time. We're back to 6th place. Okay. That was terrible. It spins out of control, like... Okay. I think it's easy to say that further improvements are needed. Okay. Alright. Let me see what we could do here. Should we improve this one or the other one? Let's see here. Which one is better? That Mustang that we got? If I go to... You know what? I'm gonna play with this Mustang. I'm just gonna improve it a little. Then we'll play with that Mustang. It looks like it's got more horsepower too, so it might actually be better. Sports hard. It's already got that. Okay. Brakes. About okay, we don't even have enough credits. All right, I think that should be good. Yeah, we just wasted money on both cars. I don't know if that was a good idea, but we did it. So let's go ahead and try that again with this Mustang. Let's see if that is any better. This race is definitely better than the last one, but I'm not sure if it's the car or... And why are we maxing out? Is this like the max to this car? This top speed? At four gears? definitely turns better than the Corvette, that's for sure. And I feel like it's got a punch off of the out of the corner. That Viper's first. Oh my god, again. No way. P5, okay. We messed that up. We need a good American muscle. A car that we're gonna kind of spend the money on both cars. It's kind of not the smartest, honestly. But probably should have just spent it on the same car. I don't know why it's maxing out at 200 kilometers per hour though. Is that the max this car can go? It's interesting. I think it is. P5. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna need to improve one of these American muscles and see what we could do here. We got no money as well, so alright, let me try the other race. Not this one. Let's try this one. Honestly, let's just go for this. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like this handles. I keep going back and forth between the two, but I think this one handles better, to be honest. It's just, I don't know. It's just the turns sometimes. Maybe it's my fault. I'm just not dropping the speed enough for it to make proper turns. But yeah, in terms of top speed, I think this is better. Let's see. Sorry, buddy. Kind of helped us out then. Yeah, like you see, like I'm turning here. I'm turning. Oh my god. Yeah, these American cars that can't turn, man. You might have to get a better American car. Alright, we just have to get to P3. Just gotta beat this guy. That's all. Come on. Come on, Cobra. Come on. Oh my god. They're so hard to turn, man. The corners are a nightmare on these cars. Yeah. That's terrible. Yeah, we definitely need the better American car. This is not gonna do it. Or further improve this one, I don't know. Alright, I think this is a good place to stop it. Let me see if I can go improve one of the cars, the American cars, or buy another one. We'll see what I have to do. And then I'll catch you guys on the next one. We'll do these 2 races. Hopefully we'll win them next time. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.